Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set Google Chrome as default browser instead. So I was on my PC the other day and kept noticing that every time I clicked the link, it kept opening in Microsoft Edge instead of Google Chrome, which got a bit annoying because I prefer using Chrome for everything. So I decided to fix it properly by opening the Windows settings using the Windows plus I shortcut. Then I went into the Apps section where all installed programs and system defaults are managed. And from there, I click on Default Apps because that's where Windows controls which browser handles your links, and I scrolled down until I found Google Chrome in the list, then selected it and looked for the option that lets you set it as your default browser. And once I click Set Default, Windows immediately switched everything over, so now any link I open automatically launches in Chrome instead of Edge, which honestly makes browsing feel a lot more smoother and more consistent since everything stays in one place instead of bouncing different browsers. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.